Welcome to this tutorials. So the playlist is tutorial how I can install Android Studio in 2025. First of all, make sure that your system is connected to internet and make sure you have enough data because it consumes a lot of data. And if you want to create a mobile application or be to a mobile application developer, please check the link for my course and you'll be happy you do that. So you type Android Studio on your browser, then click Android Studio download now. This is Android Studio. So let's click the notes to see some features. You can go through it. This is the Android Studio home. So this is the latest Android Studio. It's called the Ladybug. Android Studio now has a lady. So here I'm going to use a Flamingo. So Flamingo, take this particular one, the latest version should be 2022. Why I want to use that because I have some Android application file that are old. So after I've done with it, I'm going to download the latest Android Studio. So this is the older version of Android Studio. And again, this Flamingo is stable. I'll be using it for some time now and it's very stable. We'll go through it and see other things. Sometimes we were in haste to read some reviews or some news. This is important. So this is how to install Android Studio. For Windows, this is the Windows requirement. 64-bit Microsoft Word Windows 8. So from Windows 8 to Windows 10. For this for Mac, that's how it look like on the Mac. This for Linux. And I think the last one should be for Chrome. The step you take to install Android Studio depending on the computer you are using. Then the requirement. So we click on the downloads because what we want to do now is to download the Android Studio, install it, and create some sample apps with it. So getting started with Android Studio. Configuration. This Android Studio downloads. Okay, download the latest version of Android Studio. Android Studio release dates. I've seen that. So this is the latest Android Studio. Then more downloads are available in download archives. So we'll click on that because that is where you can get older version of Android Studio. So click on download archives. So this is Android Studio download archives. So before we do anything, you have to accept the terms and conditions. You scroll down, make sure you read the terms and conditions. Scroll down and say agree to the terms. So good. So this is the old Android Studio softwares. It has many names: koala, ladybug, flamingo, market. So the name is just it sounds funny sometimes. There are many of them with many versions. But I want a flamingo. Even giraffe, iguana. It seems all the names of animals have been used in Android Studio version. Had the hog, and so many of them. So this is the flamingo that I want to get. So let me buy a flamingo from here. So click here. Then I'm going to download for Windows. And this is it, 64-bit Windows. It's approximately 1 gigabyte. So we click here. The downloading has started. Please, sometimes if your internet is not stable, this download will stop along the way. That's what's going on here. So you have to try it again and again. So it's downloading now. So the time it takes depends on the speed of your internet. We're almost done downloading. As soon as we download finish, we continue installation in next lectures.